I can't believe I did it. I have finally accessed the forbidden image. I accessed the forbidden image. No, this isn't good. This needs to stop.